Hey everybody, this is Dallin with Riding Reeds. Today I wanted to take a minute, show you the newest boat we got here, the 85 Caprice Wagon, and also go over how you guys can win a Camp Chef Explorer 2-burner grill or whatever you want to call it. So anyways, yeah, the first way you're going to do that is go to my website, ridingreeds.com, enter in a fake email address for free shipping. Don't forget to do that. And every dollar you spend on the website is going to be one physical raffle ticket in your order that's going to get shipped to you May 1st at noon. I'm going to go ahead and do a live stream, announce the winner for that, and hopefully it's somebody who's been watching for a while or just somebody good. I don't care. Hopefully one of you guys win it. I know you will. At least one person. This is getting awkward. Anyways, yeah, go on there. Every dollar you spend is going to go back to you with one raffle ticket. If you don't want to spend a ton of money, I got these koozies, pretty cheap. You can also leave a tip after if you just want to put in for more raffle tickets. Use the tip feature instead of spending a ton on stuff, or just buy a bunch of koozies, hats, I don't care. But yeah, I really appreciate everybody who's given to me. This is my way to give back to you, and I'm excited to do that. Yeah, other than that, make sure you subscribe so you get the free shipping. It's all on the website there. That's ridingreeds.com. I appreciate all of you. I hate asking over and over for you guys to subscribe, but you'll find out if you do, nothing really happens. Your life won't change. It's just going to say subscribed, and that's basically the best way to support me without spending money out of your pocket. And it means the most to me because I am trying to get this to grow a little bit, get some more boats built, and hopefully keep getting some pretty good entertainment for you guys, or get better as we go. I'm a pretty awkward talker, so these videos are a little different for me, and hopefully it gets a little better with time. But yeah, I mean, really, I just appreciate you guys. It's my way to get back to you. I know it's nothing crazy like this car or my boat or something amazing like that, but you know, we all want a Camp Chef. We just don't want to spend money on it, I guess. So yeah, enjoy Camp Chef if you win. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and hop out now, show you around the car a little bit. Good luck to everybody. May 1st, noon. Every dollar's one raffle ticket. It'll be in your order. And have a U.S. shipping address because we're going to just ship it to your door. So if you're in another state, don't worry. I'm just going to Amazon Prime it to you. It's the simplest way to do that, I guess. But yeah, let's take a look at the car now. Appreciate all of you. Please subscribe. I know it's weird. It's not going to hurt you. But yeah, here's the car. There it is. Name the car Why Not? Because it's a boat. And I spelled it like that because it's a boat. Threw a 7-inch lift kit on it just because I can. I thought it'd be cool. And we're going to start towing the boat around with this thing. And it's just going to look like two boats going down the road. So that's exciting. But yeah, there it is. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Good luck. See who gets that Camp Chef.